U.S. fighter jets intercept 6 Russian spy planes flying near Alaska for hours. The U.S. North American Aerospace Defense Command, or NORAD, deployed F-22 fighter jets to intercept 3 groups of 2 Russian Tupolev Tu-142 Russian maritime reconnaissance and patrol aircrafts flying towards Alaskan Air Defense Identification Zone (ADIZ) late Thursday night. In a Thursday press release, NORAD said U.S. F-22 Raptors flew to intercept the Russian aircraft as they flew within 50 nautical miles of Alaskan shores and loitered within the ADIZ for around 5 hours. The U.S. fighters' effort was assisted by KC-135 air refuelers during the hours-long interception mission. The Russian aircraft have attempted to enter the ADIZ on numerous prior occasions in 2020. In one set of June intercepts, NORAD intercepted 8 Russian aircraft, including a Tu-95 bomber, a Su-35 fighter jet, and a A-5 airborne. Early warning and control aircraft flying within 30 miles of Alaska. That incident came at a start of a wake of June intercept incidents. A week after intercepting the first 8 Russian aircrafts, NORAD intercepted another 8 more Russian aircraft. Flying in 2-bomber formation within a 2-week period, NORAD carried out 5 separate intercept missions. On Friday, U.S. Air Force General Glenn D. Van Herk, the commander of NORAD, said, "Our northern approaches have had an increase in foreign military activity as our competitors continue to expand their military presence and probe our defenses. This year we've conducted more than a dozen intercepts, the most in recent years. The importance of our continued efforts to project air defense operations in and through the North has been more apparent." NORAD uses a layered network of radars, satellites, and fighter aircrafts to identify aircraft flying towards the U.S. and Canadian airspace. All NORAD's North American intercept flights and defense missions are designated by Noble Eagle. Canadian Air Force CF-18s have also participated in intercept missions against Russian aircrafts in 2020.